Hello audiences. We all know that food is crucial for humans' life. As all we know, university canteens is a big issue on every student's mind. This problem is related to the quality of life of university students, so it must be solved immediately by some creative solutions. In this presentation, we are going to cover 4 topics. The first topic is the canteen's problem. The second is the solution to solve the problem. Next, the implementation of the solution. Lastly, the conclusion. According to the questionnaire, most respondents agree that overcrowding is needed to be solved immediately. So, we are going to dig into the problem of overcrowding. From 47 respondents that pick overcrowding as the main problem, that suggested several solutions to overcrowding. The first voted solution to overcrowding is building and extending canteens, following by the break time adjustment and the queue card, and the last one is allowing to buy food from the canteen and eat outside. According to the research and the questionnaire, we are going to look into 3 solutions. The first solution is lunch break time adjustment by dividing students into many groups. For example, 2 groups, and let them use the canteen at a different period of times. The next solution is using the queue card system, as it could decrease the crowd in front of the food store and the pathway. While waiting for the food, everyone can take seat. The final solution that we introduce is building and extending the canteens. The solution is quite straightforward and could be the most effective one. However, it's required money, time, and the land in the university in order to build the new canteen.
For the solution that we are going to choose from the previous 3, we cut one out and use another 2 as a combination. The solution that we cut out is build and extend canteens, because we think that it's not suit our criteria that are appropriation and possibility very well, due to its high cost of investment in both money and time. Thus, we finally selected the first solution, lunch break time adjustment, together with the second solution, queue card system, as a combination of solutions. For their implementations, they can be implemented independently because they are solving the problem in different scopes. For the steps to implement the first solution, lunch break time adjustment. First, the university must take an observation about which faculties use which canteens. Then, they must create a new lunch time schedule with obtained observation. The point to create is the faculties that are using the same canteen must be divided into 2 groups. Then, the third step, declare a new schedule usage and inspect the outcomes. Is anything going better, or what should be further improved? For example situation, we have 4 faculties, 2 canteens. 2 faculties are using orange canteen, and another 2 are using apple canteen, which results in crowded situation in both canteens every lunchtime. But after we apply a solution, only 1 faculty will use the canteen at a time, so this can theoretically decrease the problem by at least 50%. For the implementation of the second solution, queue card system. First, each food store must have their own queue cards. Then, they will give queue cards to those who order the foods. Now, everyone can take seats during waiting for foods without blocking the pathway unnecessarily. For example situation, before applying this solution, every people tend to wait for their foods in front of the food store that they did order. This brings about inconvenience in canteen space and alley. But after we apply the solution too, everyone can now take the seats while waiting for their foods. They just have to take a look at the store periodically if their foods are finished or not. Simple but effective. To sum up, there are many problems in university canteen, and the problem that everyone considers as the most crucial problem that needs to be solved immediately is overcrowding. Through many researches that we gather, including our questionnaire, to determine solutions that are appropriate to be applied and used in Thailand are lunch break time adjustment and cue card system. From the group's opinion, after the implementation of these solutions, approximately 80% of overcrowding problem will be fixed. Case closed. Thank you for watching and listening.